Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change dimension text size in AutoCAD. Dimensions are one of the most important annotation elements in AutoCAD because they communicate the size, distance, and scale of objects within a drawing. However, if the dimension text is too small, it can become difficult to read, especially when plotting drawings or working on large projects. Fortunately, AutoCAD allows you to modify dimension styles and adjust the dimension text height to improve visibility and readability. Dimension text is used to display measurements within a drawing. If the text is too small, it can cause poor readability, misinterpretation of dimensions, plotting issues, and unprofessional-looking drawings. Properly sized dimension text improves clarity, presentation quality, communication of measurements, compliance with drafting standards. Start by opening AutoCAD, then open the drawing that contains the dimensions you want to modify. Look at the dimensions in your drawing. You may notice in some cases the dimension text may appear too small, difficult to read, and out of proportion with the drawing. Why this happens? Dimension styles may have been created with a text height that is too small for the current drawing scale or plotting requirements. Go to the command line and type DIMSTYLE, then press Enter. DIMSTYLE stands for Dimension Style. What happens next? The Dimension Style Manager window opens. This panel controls the appearance and behavior of dimensions throughout the drawing. Inside the Dimension Style Manager, select the dimension style you want to modify. Important clarification: most drawings use a default dimension style, but larger projects may contain multiple styles. With the desired style selected, click Modify. What happens next? The Modify Dimension Style window opens. This is where all settings related to the selected dimension style can be customized. At the top of the Modify Dimension Style window, select Text. The Text tab manages how dimension text appears, including text style, text color, text placement, text height, and alignment settings. Within the Text tab, find the option labeled Text Height. Text height determines the size of the dimension text displayed in the drawing. This heading directly affects how readable the dimensions are. Example: a small text height may produce dimensions that are difficult to see. A larger text height makes dimensions easier to read on screen and when printed. Type the text height you want. AutoCAD updates the dimension style so that all dimensions using that style will display the new text size. Choosing the right text height. The ideal text height depends on drawing scale, sheet size, plotting requirements, and company standards. There is no single correct value for every drawing. The best height is one that remains clear and readable when plotted. After entering the desired text height, click OK. The changes are applied to the selected dimension style. Click Close or confirm the changes. Result: the dimension text in your drawing now appears at the new size. The dimensions should now be easier to read, more visible, and better suited to the drawing scale. Changing the dimension style updates multiple dimensions at once. What you just accomplished: you opened the Dimension Style Manager, modified the dimension style, adjusted the text height, improved dimension readability, updated the appearance of dimensions across the drawing. To summarize, changing dimension text size in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and typing DIMSTYLE into the command line. This opens the Dimension Style Manager, where the desired dimension style can be selected and modified. Inside the Modify Dimension Style window, the Text tab contains a setting called Text Height, which controls the size of the dimension text. After entering the preferred height and clicking OK, the updated dimension style is applied, making the dimensions larger, clearer, and easier to read throughout the drawing. And that's how to change dimension text size in AutoCAD. Properly sized dimensions are essential because even the most accurate drawing loses value if the measurements are difficult to read. By adjusting the dimension style instead of individual dimensions, you can maintain consistency and improve the overall quality of your drafting work. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.